Hi, I'm here with Jeff Fraser. He's the Senior Director of Mobile Commerce for Zeus, located in Boston, Massachusetts. Zeus develops wireless applications and solutions for mobile operators and retailers. And Jeff has an example of such a solution with him today. What exactly is an active poster?
Alfred, thanks so much for having me. So an active poster is a self-service kiosk that we've developed. And it's primarily for retailers or for mobile operators that want to have a physical storefront for their digital goods and services. And it takes advantage of NFC, which is, as we've been learning in the conference here today, is a growing and fast-growing technology. And it's a very exciting way for retailers to work with their consumers.
NFC, or near-field communications, you said it's a popular topic in today's conference. How is your solution, Active Poster, different from other NFC applications?
Sure. So a lot of the NFC applications that we've been learning about today have been focused on the the payment flow that is using NFC as part of a mobile wallet or using an NFC as built into a credit card or a debit card. We've really focused on two elements. One is we've been focusing on the purchase flow, not the payment flow, giving the retailers the opportunity to influence consumers prior to purchase, to payment. Second is the NFC Active Poster that we have is really about interactivity. A lot of the applications that are out there today are one-way communication. There's a poster on the wall and you read the information into your phone, or there's a consumer product good that you can read information into your phone. This is about interacting, about the merchant interacting with the consumer.
You know, I often notice that a lot of organizations or companies in this space are very attached to technology, and they miss the deeper message of understanding consumer behavior. It seems that you really have a good handle on that. So what are some examples of the way retailers could make use of Active Poster?
Sure, happy to talk about that. I'll talk about a couple that we're engaged in right now. One is, for example, food services, where you've got food service companies managing cafeterias where they'd like to shorten the lines of those cafeterias and giving the ability for people to do remote ordering via an active poster is a way to do that. Also being able to influence the sale of what the consumer is going to buy before they get to the cafeteria. Another example is within grocery stores that we're working with, where the grocery stores want to create a very VIP experience, giving the consumer and interacting with the consumer as they walk in the store, but before they shop and go to the cash register. And that's what the Active Poster's been doing.
Very good. So this could be used perhaps at a football stadium to order food through maybe a loyalty type program instead of having to wait in line and miss all the action.
Absolutely. The idea is that wherever you're going to have consumers that want to engage with the retailer or the merchant, they don't always need to be where that merchant physically is at that moment in time. The Active Poster gives you the ability to have a very rich interaction, taking advantage of the technology of NFC and wireless that is being heavily invested in, and it gives you the ability to spread it out and to interact with the consumers as the retailer would like to interact in a very distributed way.
I'd say that this technology is definitely going to be disruptive, and by focusing on the consumer, it definitely provides a lot of value.
We hope so.
All right, well, thank you for coming by.
Thanks so much, I appreciate it.
Pleasure.